911, where's your emergency?
Yeah, attempted robbery at my house, at the vehicle. He was in the vehicle, in our vehicle, in our backyard.
Yes, I need somebody to come to Circle K because somebody just bust my window out of my car.
Okay. I had a guy take off in one of our cars, 2005 Jaguar XJR. He jumped in and took off.
Yeah, one's got the Jag, no license plate on the back, sunroof.
Is that car parked?
Negative, it's on the go. I don't think they know we're here yet.
Alright, let's get some sticks set up, please.
Okay, they know we're here. But they have no clue where they're going. Coming right at you. Coming right at you.
Stick hit, stick hit. Taking 22, go to
500.
in front of the high school. All units let Air 1 run this, please.
Still southbound, no traffic in front of them, and no units beyond him. He's not going fast. I'm just waiting for him to pull over and bail out somewhere here in the woods.
I see it. He's already passed 1740 if you're seeing something.
Coming up to 40 and 3, 2, 1. Okay, he's going through a barbecue place or something. Okay, we got to bail out. He's jumping in a black Ford F-150. He's carjacking this guy right now. Give him the channel.
Return traffic.
Don't move! 4,000. Taser deployment! Taser deployment! Alright! Let him go! I give up! I give up! I give up! You got me! Taser deployment! Taser deployment! You got me! Put your hands behind your back! You got me! Please don't beat me up! I give up! I give up! You got me! You got me! Put your hands behind your back! Do it now! You got me! Please don't beat me up! You got me, sir! It's over with! You got me! Relax! Alright! I'm sorry, I just got a crazy drug habit. Took my whole family. Hey, shut up! Oh, yes, sir. I want to hear about your frickin' drug habit. You just tried to carjack this. Yes, sir. I want to hear your excuse. Shut your mouth. Good job. You guys alright? Yeah.
I'm just scared for him.
Yeah, we just have to look
He's
this.
just had heart operations and everything.
Yeah.
He's almost died twice in the last couple of years.
Okay. As long as you're okay. As long as I'm the one that jumped in.
I drove and I left it there unlocked. We had no idea.
I know it's. He's got my keys.
I got your keys. I pulled them out when you were fighting them.
Okay, good job. All right. Good job. All right, glad you're all okay.
We just wanted to look at the house.
I understand that, but you know, this guy's been running from us for the last hour and a half. He's been doing all kinds of stuff. So just take a few deep breaths. Smoke him if you got him.
Don't smoke.
That's a good thing then. All right, just hang tight. Just relax. Okay. You're okay. All right, you did a good job.
Friend. He's like family to me.
Good. You did a good job. Good job, man.
Great job.
Thanks, sir. Air 1 Centric shows in service.